Alright, some of you guys wanted to see some of my Bosch air tools. I figured this would be easier to make a little video than take a whole bunch of pictures and post each one at a time. So basically here it is. These are all the air tools that I have that are made in Germany. And then this is also a Flex. This one's not Bosch, but this is made in Germany as well. So here, start off here I guess. This is just a little 3-inch grinder. You can see it says made in Germany. This is a little drill. This is some shears. Here we have a screw gun. These ones actually have a torque wrench built into them, so you could put a setting that you adjust here and they'll stop to that torque rating. We got a air hammer here. Here we got some angle drive ratchets, 1/4 inch, 3/8. These also have a torque wrench built into them as well. You can set the torque rating. And this is the 3/8 model. And this as well has a torque wrench built into it as well. Here we have 2 impact wrenches, 3/8 size. And this is the same one, just a different torque rating. Here we have the air jigsaw. Here we have 2 angle grinders. This one's 12,000 RPM, this one's 7,000 RPMs. It's a little silencer that some of the air tools have, and there's a label on that. This one visually is pretty much the same thing. And then here we have some just straight screw guns. These are kind of used, you know, you can dangle them. These all have a torque wrench also built into them, and these are all made in Germany as well. I'll set up all the labels. And then here we have palm sander. And lastly, this is the flex grinder. This has the water attachment to it. It's basically for stonework, but there's the label on that. And this just has this so the air that's coming out comes through this, so it doesn't make a lot of dust where you're working. So that's it on the German air tools. Thanks.